partition around Medoid or K-Medoid algorithm on two-dimensional data set is given in two-dimensional with a number of cluster, that is k equal to 2. Data set contains the 5 points in the dimension x and y. The points are 5, 6, 4, 5, 4, 6, 6, 7 and 7, 8. Initial assumption. So as we want to divide the data into two clusters, so we initialize or initial assumption about two clusters as 4, 6 and 6, 7. Absolute distance is used for simplicity. Preferable distance is Euclidean distance, as data is in two-dimensional space, but only for calculation purpose we are using the absolute distance. Now this is a table. So initially points are there, that is 5, 6, 4, 5, 4, 6, 6, 7 and 7, 8. This is first Medoid 4, 6 and second Medoid 6, 7. We are taking the absolute difference. So we are taking the absolute difference between the x coordinates of M1 and x coordinates of data set, y coordinates of M1 and y coordinates of 6. So 4 minus 5 and 6 minus 6 is equal to 1. Similarly with the 6, 7, 6 minus 5 and 7 minus 6, which is equal to 2. So in this way we are calculating the absolute distance from all data points to our Medoid, that is 4, 6 and 6, 7. And in the final column of the table we pick up the minimum value from these two columns. So 1, 2 minimum is 1, 1, 4 minimum is 1, 0, 3 minimum is 0, 3, 0 minimum is 0 and 5, 2 minimum is 2. So by getting the total addition of the cost, we are getting the total value as 4, which is referred as a old cost. Now our initial assumptions about the Medoid are 4, 6 and 6, 7, but they may be better choice or may not. Other points may be better choice as a Medoid. So we are going to check this with the partition around Medoid algorithm. Now see, M1, 4, 6 and M2, 6, 7 are our initial Medoids. Other candidates for Medoids are remaining points, that is 5, 6, 4, 5 and 7, 8. We can change only one Medoid at a time. We keep Medoid 4, 6 as it is, but instead of 6, 7 as a Medoid, we will check with the other Medoids like 5, 6, 4, 5 and 7, 8. We calculate the total cost. So total cost is nothing but the total cost of 6, 7 to 5, 6. Means instead of 6, 7 we are using which Medoid as a 5, 6. Instead of 6, 7 we are using the Medoid as 4, 5. And instead of 6, 7 we are using the Medoid as 7, 8. Now see this table carefully. This is nothing but our data set points. This is nothing but the 4, 6, as we are not changing the 4, 6, but we are changing the Medoid as a 6, 7. So instead of 6, 7 we will try with the either 5, 6, 4, 5 and 7, 8. So there is no need to do this calculation because it is already present in the previous table. Now here we are taking the absolute distance between the 5, 6 and all our data set. We are getting this much distance. Similarly with the 4, 5 and 7, 8. Now we are comparing 4, 6 and 5, 6. So 1, 0 minimum is 0, 1, 2 minimum is 1, 0, 1 minimum is 0, 3, 2 minimum is 2, 5, 4 minimum is 4. So similarly we are comparing 4, 6 and 4, 5. So here we are comparing 1, 2 minimum is 1, 1, 0 minimum is 0, 0, 1 minimum is 0, 3, 4 minimum is 3 and 5, 6 is minimum is 5. So similarly we compare between the 4, 6 and 7, 8. So in this way we are getting the cost. So when we add, we are getting the cost as 7, 9 and 4. So what this cost indicates? This cost indicates instead of 6, 7, if we use the 5, 6, we are getting the 7. Instead of 6, 7, if we get 4, 5, if we use 4, 5, we are getting 9. And instead of 6, 7, if we use 7, 8, we are getting the 4. Now we are making the difference of cost, that is new minus old. So new cost is 7 and old cost is 4. So 7 minus 4 is 3. 9 minus 4 is 5 and 4 minus 4 is 0. Now here no option is suitable. Why? Because all our answer of differences of old and new, we are getting the positive value. So no option is suitable as all costs are greater than or equal to 0. What it indicates that instead of 6, 7 we can't replace 5, 6, 4, 5 and 7, 8 as a Medoid. Now in the second option we keep Medoid 6, 7 as it is, but instead of 4, 6 we try with the other choices. So instead of 4, 6 as a Medoid, we will try with the 5, 6, 4, 5 and 7, 8. Now we are again going to calculate the cost. That is, instead of 4, 6 Medoid we will keep 5, 6. Instead of 4, 6 we will keep 4, 5. And instead of 4, 6 we will keep 7, 8. Now this is again data set. Now here there is no need to do the calculation again because we are getting the same value from the previous table. Only we require to make the comparison operation. So 6, 7 and 5, 6 minimum is 0, 4, 2 minimum is 2, 3, 1 minimum is 1, 0, 2 minimum is 0 and 2, 4 minimum is 2. So in this way we are comparing with 6, 7 and 5, 6. After that we will compare 6, 7 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 7, 8. So in this way after comparison we are getting the total cost of changing the midweight from 4, 6 to 5, 6, 4, 6 to 4, 5 and 4, 6 to 7, 8. The cost we are getting as 5, 5 and 9 and our old cost is 4. So 5 minus 4 is 1, 5 minus 4 is 1 and 9 minus 4 is 5. So here also the option is not suitable because all options, all values of differences of the cost we are getting positive. So as all values are not suitable option, as difference of the new and old cost is positive, therefore the existing midweights are the best choice to partition the data. So whatever initial assumptions is a perfect assumption to partition our data. This is the second problem as exercise, that is data set is again in 2 dimension with number of clusters k equal to 2. 6 points are given. Their x and y respective coordinates are 1, 4, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 8, 4, 3 and 5, 2. I suggest that better you plot the points in the 2 dimension, and after the partition around midweight you can easily check that how the PAM is very effective than our K-means algorithm. So initial assumptions are cluster midweights are 3, 8 and 5, 2. We make the random choice. So 3, 8 and 5, 2 are our initial midweights. Absolute distance is used because of simplicity rather than the Euclidean distance. Now this is our data set point, that is 6 points are there. Our initial assumption of 3, 8 and 5, 2. Like our first example, we are taking the absolute difference between all our data points and the midweights, that is 3, 8 and 5, 2. And after that we are taking the minimum of that. So the 3, 8 with all points we are getting the 6, 4, 3, 0, 6, 8. 5, 2 with all data set we are getting this distance, and after that we are comparing and we are getting the cost, that is the addition of all the values, that is 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2. So we are getting the total cost as a 15. So our old cost is 15. Now our initial assumption that 3, 8 and 5, 8, 5, 2 are the best midweight, but we want to check other than this other options are possible or not. So M1 3, 8 and M2 5, 2 was our initial assumption. So other candidates for midweights are 1, 4, 1, 6, 2, 6 and 4, 3. We can change only one midweight at a time. We keep midweight 5, 2 as it is, and instead of 3, 8 we will check all other choices. So like our previous example, we require to calculate the total cost. So total cost means what? Instead of 3, 8 we can replace with the 1, 4, 1, 6, 2, 6 or 4, 3. So this is a table. Now here there is no need to calculate this value because this is already calculated in our previous table. Now this is our data set points. So instead of 3, 8 we are taking 1, 4, 1, 6, 2, 6 and 4, 3. So we compare, or we take the absolute difference between the 1, 4 and all this data set. We are getting this column, this column, this column and this column, and after that we are comparing 5, 2 with respect to 1, 4 and we are getting the cost of 15. So instead of 3, 8 if we use the 1, 4 we are getting the cost 13. Now we compare the 5, 2 and 1, 6. We are getting the total cost as 9. So instead of 3, 8 if we use 1, 6 we are getting the cost 9. Instead of we are comparing 5, 2 and 2, 6 we get total cost 9. And instead of 5, 2 we are getting we are comparing 4, 3 and we are getting the total cost as 21. Our old cost is 15. So 13 minus 52 is minus 2. 9 minus 16 is a minus 6. 9 minus 15 is a minus 6 and 20 minus 15 is 6. So what this indicates that the negative choice indicates they are the better option than our previous. So minimum value is minus 6 and minus 6. It indicates that with 5, 2 which option is better? Instead of 3, 8, 1, 6 and 2, 6 option are better because they are giving the minimum value. So 1, 6 or 2, 6 are the suitable option. Now in the second way what we do, we will keep 3, 8 as it is, and instead of 5, 2 we will change with the other values, that is 1, 4, 1, 6, 2, 6, 4, 3. Now this is the table. So in this table there is no need to calculate all the values, only we require to make the comparison. So 3, 8 all these are previous value. Now 1, 4 we already calculate, 1, 6 also calculated, 2, 6 calculated and 4, 3 calculated. Only we require to make the comparison with 3, 8, 1, 4, 3, 8, 1, 6, 3824 and 3843. After that we will get the total cost like in previous table, 15, 17, 16 and 13. We take the difference between the new and old. So we are getting the difference. Old value is 15. So 15 minus 15 is 0. 17 minus 15 is 2. 16 minus 15 is 1. And 13 minus 15 is 2. So only this choice is okay. That is, instead of 5 2 we can use a 4 3 because it is giving the negative answer. So TC 4 3 is a suitable option. But if we compare in the previous step also, we are getting the two negative choices, that is 1 6 and 2 6. So if we compare TC 4 3, TC 1 6 and TC 2 6, 1 6 and 2 6 are better choices. So because they are giving the negative minimum value. So which is better option, that we keep M52 and M16 or M52 and M26, because both value 1 6 and 2 6 having the minimum value. So we can combine as a medoid as either one medoid is 52 and second medoid is 16, or one medoid is 52 or second medoid is 26 are the best choice as a medoid. Thank you. Try for this exercise using the partition around medoid. Thank you.